Have you ever wondered if the next gold rush might not be on Earth, but in the infinite void of space? Picture this. Not the dusty Wild West of yesteryears, but the vast, uncharted territories of the cosmos. Instead of panning for gold in rivers, we're talking about mining asteroids, extracting a wealth of minerals that dwarf any terrestrial trove. Now let's be clear, we aren't mining asteroids today. The technology, though within our reach, is not quite there yet. But oh boy, is it a topic of high interest. Imagine the possibilities. Asteroids, those rocky bodies orbiting the sun, are chock full of valuable resources. We're talking platinum, gold, and other rare metals that are scarce on Earth but abundant in these celestial objects. The potential to tap into this wealth is astronomical. No pun intended. Some of the big players have already set their sights on this untapped potential. Countries like the United States and Luxembourg, and private companies like SpaceX and Deep Space Industries are investing time, money, and technology into making asteroid mining a reality. Their efforts are a testament to the fact that asteroid mining is not just a sci-fi fantasy but a feasible prospect that could revolutionize our economy and resource consumption. But what makes these space rocks so valuable? It's the rare and precious metals they harbor, like platinum. This shiny silver-white metal is not just pretty to look at, it's used in a range of industries from electronics to medicine, and it's worth a pretty penny too. And that's just one example. There are countless asteroids out there, each a potential gold mine of resources. The beauty of this space gold rush is that it's not just for the big players. The potential monetary benefits could trickle down to the general public too. By investing in companies involved in asteroid mining, individuals could share in the wealth that these celestial bodies offer. While we aren't mining asteroids today, it could be a reality sooner than you think. After all, the stars are not just a sight to behold, they could be our next frontier for resource extraction. So, hold on to your hats, folks, because the space gold rush is just around the corner. So, who exactly is leading this charge into the final frontier? Well, let's start with the countries that have recognized the potential of asteroid mining and are actively pursuing it. The United States and China are at the forefront of this new space race. The United States, through NASA, is investing heavily in space exploration and technology. Remember, it was the United States that first landed a man on the moon, and now they're aiming for the asteroids. In China, the National Space Agency is also gearing up for their own asteroid missions. They've made it clear that they're not going to be left behind in this interstellar gold rush. But countries aren't the only players here. Some private companies are also staking their claim in this new frontier. SpaceX, led by the visionary Elon Musk, is already planning to send Starship on missions to mine asteroids. Musk's ambitions don't stop there. He dreams of a future where resources from asteroids could support a self-sustaining city on Mars. And then there's Blue Origin, founded by another titan of industry, Jeff Bezos. Bezos envisions millions of people living and working in space, and he believes asteroid mining is a critical step towards that future. Blue Origin is developing technologies to make space travel more accessible and affordable, with asteroid mining as a key part of their long-term strategy. Let's not forget the smaller players too, like Planetary Resources and Deep Space Industries. They may not have the same name recognition, but they're just as committed to unlocking the potential of asteroid mining. These pioneers are investing billions into research and development, launching missions, and developing technologies to make asteroid mining a reality. They're not just chasing a dream, they're putting their money where their mouth is. They see the potential of asteroid mining not just for the vast wealth it could generate, but also as a stepping stone to a future where humanity is a truly spacefaring species. As these pioneers pave the way, the possibilities of asteroid mining become more real every day. But what exactly are we hoping to find in these asteroids? The answer lies in the rich assortment of minerals that these celestial bodies harbor. Imagine a cache of treasure, not of jewels and gold coins, but of invaluable minerals like platinum, gold, and rare earth metals. These aren't just shiny baubles to be admired, but key resources that hold the potential to revolutionize several industries on Earth. First, let's talk about platinum. This precious metal is not only sought after for its lustrous beauty and jewelry, but is also a vital component in many industrial applications. It's used in catalytic converters for vehicles, in various electronics, and even in the medical field. The supply of platinum on Earth is limited, and mining it is a difficult and environmentally taxing process. Asteroids could offer us an almost limitless supply of this precious resource. Next up is gold. Now, we all know the value of this metal in terms of wealth and adornment, but it's also an excellent conductor of electricity and is used in a variety of electronic devices. It's even used in the aerospace industry itself. Just like platinum, the supply of gold on Earth is dwindling, and the environmental impact of mining it is significant. Asteroids could be our golden ticket to a more sustainable source. But there's more. Asteroids also contain a group of 17 chemical elements known as rare earth metals. These metals are crucial for the production of high-tech devices, renewable energy technologies, and defense systems. Yet, they are, as the name suggests, rare on our planet. Asteroids could be a game-changer, providing us with a new, plentiful source of these indispensable elements. With such a wealth of resources just waiting to be tapped, the future of asteroid mining looks bright indeed. The treasures hidden in the stars could be the key to not just our technological advancement, but also to a more sustainable future. We just need the courage, the innovation, and the determination to reach out and seize them. But what does this mean for the average investor? Well, let's break it down. Asteroid mining is not just about the incredible adventure of reaching out into the cosmos. It's also about the potential economic windfall that could come from the high-value minerals found on these celestial bodies. Consider this. Just one asteroid could contain more platinum group metals than have ever been mined on Earth. These are precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium, which are not only valuable but also have numerous applications in industries ranging from electronics to automotive. Moreover, asteroids are rich in water, which could be used for life support in space missions or split into hydrogen and oxygen, the primary components of rocket fuel. Imagine a future where asteroids serve as refueling stations for spacecraft traveling deep into the solar system. It sounds like science fiction, but it's a very real possibility, and the financial implications could be staggering. Now, as with any investment, there are risks. Asteroid mining is a nascent industry, and the cost of launching spacecraft and developing the necessary technology is substantial. But the potential rewards could dwarf these initial costs. If we look at the big players, countries like the United States and Luxembourg, along with private companies such as SpaceX and Planetary Resources, are already investing heavily in this field. They see the potential and are willing to take the risks. This isn't some far-off dream, it's happening right now. So, for the savvy investor, asteroid mining presents a unique opportunity. It's a chance to be part of an industry at the very beginning, an industry that could reshape our economy and our relationship with space. Remember, every major leap forward in human history has been accompanied by a parallel leap in economic prosperity. The Industrial Revolution, the tech boom, and now potentially, the space mining era. As we stand on the cusp of this new frontier, the opportunity for investment in asteroid mining could be a game changer. So, what does the future hold for asteroid mining? Well, the prospects are as vast as the cosmos itself. As we venture further into the 21st century, technological advancements are accelerating at an unprecedented pace, making the once distant dream of asteroid mining a budding reality. Let's start with the technology. In order to mine asteroids, we'll need to develop sophisticated machinery capable of withstanding the harsh conditions of space. This isn't just about durability, it's about efficiency and adaptability. Imagine robotic miners that could autonomously extract valuable minerals from asteroids, with the ability to repair themselves and adapt to unexpected challenges. While still in the realm of science fiction, there's no denying that we're edging closer to this reality every day. And what about timelines? Well, that's a little trickier to pin down. Some experts predict we could see the first asteroid mining missions within the not-too-distant future, while others take a more conservative, longer estimate. Regardless of the exact timeline, one thing is for certain: asteroid mining is on the horizon. Now let's talk impact. The economic implications of asteroid mining are staggering. With an estimated worth of trillions of dollars per asteroid, this new industry could revolutionize our economy. But it's not just about the money. The resources harvested from asteroids could fuel technological advancements, drive innovation, and even pave the way for space colonization. And finally, let's not forget the societal implications. Asteroid mining could lead to a new era of prosperity, with wealth generated from space directly benefiting society. Imagine a world where resources are no longer scarce, but abundant. A world where the wealth of the cosmos is within our reach. As we look towards the stars, the potential of asteroid mining could be the next big leap for mankind.